Okay, so my plan for today is to do a vlog setup and just take you with me through the course of my day. There's a couple of different places that I want to go, but I really want to sit still, and dive into the Rode Videomic Go II, and I want to do an audio test and see how it sounds. So this is going to be a short audio test. I believe that this microphone is catered to the vlogger, the person that's going to be outside running and gunning and creating content on the go. And so I wanted to do an audio test with this particular microphone in a vlogging situation. It is pretty chilly today, and so this is going to be short. I assume that we're going to have issues with the wind in this particular vlog because it did not come with a furry windscreen to protect from the plosives of the wind. That's one of the things that I wished would have came with this microphone. Now they probably did that deliberately and intentional to keep the cost down, and I appreciate that, but it would have been really cool if this mic came with a furry windscreen to prevent the noise. My suggestion would be to, when you pick up this microphone, if this is a microphone that you're planning on getting, that you just automatically purchase the furry windscreen along with it. I believe it's retailing for about $30, and I believe they are currently in production, so you might be able to pick up one. I would just go right ahead and get it. But this is the audio from the microphone. It should sound 1,000 times better than just going straight, just using the camera's microphones. This microphone should be in every content creator's arsenal of gear. It should always just hang out in your camera bag, because for $100 you just can't lose. I'm back in the car, and it's cold. I just wanted to give some final thoughts, and obviously I haven't listened to all of the audio just yet, but I was able to listen to some audio clips here and there. I think that this is an amazing microphone for the cost. Like I said earlier, it would have been an amazing situation if Rode would have included the furry windshield for the microphone, because it really will eliminate most of the aggressive wind noises when you're outside, trying to create content. So they really should have included that. So if you are planning on buying this microphone, just buy the furry windshield at the same time, and I believe it goes for $30. So your total purchase will be around $130 for this microphone, but is definitely well worth it. Rode makes some pretty amazing products, and I am not sponsored or have no affiliation with Rode. I just truly, as I have been building out my gear and have been purchasing gear, I have found consistently that when I purchase something from Rode, I am more than happy, and it more than exceeds my expectation. They have affordable, high quality products that any content creator could get their hands on, and it's just amazing, and I love their products. So I would highly recommend this microphone. If you haven't purchased this mic yet, just buy it and just keep it in your camera bag, and you'll be happy that you did it. And I am going to head out and I'm going to finish editing this when I get home. I also wanted to thank everybody who watched the video. I gained a couple new subscribers, which is awesome to me. But I can say that my favorite part about this whole YouTube thing is the community engagement, is the comments that I had an opportunity to respond to in the comment section. That's just been truly fun and amazing to me. So let me know what you think about this microphone. If you're planning on getting it, if you already have it, I would love to hear your review and hear what you think about it. So let's continue the conversation in the comment section. And so until next time, I hope and I pray to see you guys soon.